There's a lot of noise about hydrogen right now. Some say the momentum is slowing, some say the bubble has burst. What we're really seeing is the market maturing. This is the phase where hype turns into hard work. And that's exactly where real progress begins. Commercialization isn't only about costs or efficiency. It's about how we share risks, how we structure partnerships, and how we build entire value chains together. This is not a journey any one company can make alone. It takes the right customers, it takes the right investors, the right policy makers, and the right technology providers working side by side. In a new market, you can't move forward unless risk is managed properly. At Topsoe, we believe each party should take the risks they're best placed to manage. For us, that means minimizing technology risks. For example, stack lifetime is often raised as a concern because long-term reference are limited in emerging industry like green hydrogen. We address that head-on with extended warranties and long-term service agreements. We do not just deliver the product, we commit to ensuring they perform, producing hydrogen at the right quality and quantity. Customers manage risks they control, like securing renewable power and offtake. And the shared risks, like ensuring there is financing for first-of-a-kind projects, is where we partner together with insurers and banks. That's how you move from announcements to bankable projects. So yes, hydrogen is evolving. It's moving from hype into reality. This plant in Herning is part of that shift. It's not just a milestone, it's a foundation. The road ahead will not be easy. But with the right partners, the right projects, and the right commitment, this transition will happen. And we are proud to be part of building it together.